My name is Nondumiso Makumela. I am a principal of Mkhuzane Primary School, which is in Umgungundlovu district. I have been part of this 3-day training workshop for coding and robotics as a DTT member, which stands for District Training Team. It's been a very fruitful and developmental workshop. We gained a lot of knowledge because now that we have been here, I feel that we have been capacitated to go back and train teachers back in the districts, especially when we speak about coding and robotics. We are moving to 4IR. It's basically just to make sure that we as a country, we are on par with other countries, meaning that as we know now that we are in a digital world, we are doing things digitally. So we need to come on board and involve learners and make sure the country is on par. So I found that the workshop, the facilitators who were part of the workshop really capacitated us. We know how to do this and what is expected of us as we go back and train teachers, and we hope that this is going to be fully implemented by teachers as we move and as we move on. Thank you very much.